The NEHUSU and NEHUTA today unanimously agreed to prevent Vice Chancellor Prof. Prabha Shankar Shukla from returning to the university, regardless of the outcome of the report from the two-member committee established by the Ministry of Education. Speaking to the media, NEHUTA President Professor Lakonma stated that even the Maulai Town Dorbar has decided to bar the VC's entry to the university campus, which falls within its jurisdiction. He emphasized that NEHUTA, NEHUSU and NEHU-NSA have declared the VC persona non grata.
All demanding his removal. I think we have highlighted, and I think the committee has been made exceptionally clear that irrespective of the outcome of the inquiry, his returning here is untenable, is unacceptable to us, not only because of the fact that, NEHUTA, NEHUSA or NEHUSU have declared him persona non grata, even the Maulai Town Dorbar, which is a traditional body under the 6th schedule, have also declared him a persona non grata, which means he can't step foot in the Greater Maulai area. So these also we have impressed upon the team, which means overall when we look at, I think we are satisfied that we could put across whatever we wanted to say, which highlights his complete incompetence, the lack of interest in the affairs of NEHU, and how he has taken our university to a drain, or rather to a deep gorge, from where coming out will be very, very difficult. Maybe it may take another 10 years or so.
A day after NPP comprehensive